Hi guys, Aston speaking. Welcome to Maintain Your Garden. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to cut lavender. This one's known as the Angustifolia. It's probably one of the most used lavenders in the UK. Ideally, you want to cut these straight after the summer, but when it came to cutting it, there's bees everywhere, the flowers were still purple, and I thought there's no point in me spoiling the party just yet. So I come back now in late October, which it definitely needs doing, and you want to cut these quite tight. You don't want to cut them too low. Where my hand is now, it's about right, just above the green leaf. If you go into the wood, it can actually damage the shrub for the winter. Like when the winter comes and the ice gets it, it can do harm, and also it might not flower next year either if you go too much into the wood. So here I've got my shears, and it's probably my favourite option using shears. You can use secateurs. In fact, you can use what you want. It's not going to know, is it? But I get a nice shape with these. I do a nice dome shape, and then once I'm happy with that, I'll take a step back, tidy it up, and I'll go into each individual lavender and I'll pull out all the weeds it's acquired over the year and debris, and I'll just keep pulling them out. And it's quite satisfying how much stuff you do get out. It'll look better for it as well. It's well worth doing. Yeah, so once you're happy with it, again, take a step back, have a second look, pick it all up, and once I've done that, I usually then rake the bed, give it a hoe, and it looks quite tailored and good. Yeah. So as you can see, it's a lot better than it was. It's not perfect, but I've got them down as tight as I possibly can on each lavender. They're not identical, but with lavender it's quite hard to keep them identical like that. I've come back the next week and I've done the same, but with the U-balls, with the shears. Just basically use the shear shape to go around and make a nice ball. It sort of works in your favour with the shears. It looks quite tight and tailored, which is what I like. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and thanks very much.